footlongs are very famous in some ways. So let's check out the ingredients. Kudoz, you can buy any footlong. Here I have a garlic footlong. So Kudoz, now we have to cut the footlong. So I am going to take the help of my mama. Enjoy my healthy, nutritious and homemade footlong. And Kudoz, you can choose any dressing of your choice like barbecue sauce, Szechuan sauce, peri peri sauce or anything you like. And I hope Kudoz you like this recipe of footlong. Then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also comment me below that how was the recipe of this footlong. Bye, see you in the next video.